Start banning him. No, literally Veigar is 9 times worse than everyone right now. As in, if I really wanted, hey, Flat Dazzle's good.
Help me,
If I really wanted to climb, I'd play
help
fucking
me,
Dave.
help.
It's impossible to do bad on that chart.
I'm trying to plug one.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. We gotta stop them. We gotta stop them mid.
What is happening?
Alright, I can't survive.
Wait, what the fuck?
Kill this bitch. Kill this bitch right here. Good job. Go in. Go in. Go in. Go in. Go in. Go in. End. Can you just type end, like in all caps? Alright, well, let's just fucking end.
Wait, did we actually just win?
Holy shit, this Leona. Holy shit, this Leona. Zen, 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 Zen. Holy shit, please. We have to end it now. Fuck him. Just hit the thing. Just hit the thing. Holy shit. Holy shit. If that inhib respawned and then they survived it and then we lost, I would have never played League of Legends again. We gotta give it to Leona. Jesus fucking... Oh, I almost fucking reported her. I meant to... I already fucking gave her.
Okay.
Jesus, that Leona stunned the fucking Tristana in that last fight, which let us kill her GA and then kill the Tristana. Saved us when the Nexus was fucking...
He's got 110 viewers.
First time Leona... Dude, you saved us when the Nexus turrets were on the verge of being collapsed because you ulted and we all went in. You stunned the Tristana at the end of the game, which let us burn her GA and then kill her. And then you flash and Zenith bladed the fucking Kazakhs who overextended and then we won. Literally only won that game because of Leona. Holy fuck. GG, brother. Oh my fucking god. Good job.
Man, I'm exhausted after that game.
Good job, Alex. Yeah, no, I'm a god. Eat my ass, Alex. Hey, good job, though. You literally were the reason we won that. All those things that happened at the end of the game. Jesus fuck. It was fucking nuts. Good shit.